Lose weight. Best exercise routine for women. Exercise to lose weight. If you are a woman who is looking to burn some fat through an exercise routine, we have something in this video that might interest you. Today, you will learn the benefits of HIIT exercise and long continuous exercises, and which one that may benefit you more, especially if you have a busy schedule. In 2017, the Journal of Diabetes Research published a study that compared the effects of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, with longer, yet steady-paced exercise sessions. Female participants with similar body types were divided into 3 groups. 1. Those who exercised using HIIT methods. 2. Those who performed long continuous exercises. And 3. Those who didn't exercise at all. At the end of 12 weeks, the researchers noted that the participants who engaged in HIIT and long continuous exercise had similar results. Both experienced significant fat reduction, especially in the abdominal area. However, it is very important to note that those who engaged in HIIT achieved the same results by engaging in much shorter workout sessions. Through HIIT, you'll only need to work out for half the time it would typically take you to enjoy the same results with moderate intensity exercises. That's why it is now commonly regarded as the best exercise to lose weight. It is also the basis for designing the best exercise routine for women who want to lose fat around their midsection. For women looking to lose weight without spending any time or money at the gym, here's a good exercise routine to follow at home. All it takes is a few minutes each day, every day, for 6 days a week. Follow this at-home HIIT workout, and you're sure to enjoy visible results in just a few weeks. Squat jumps. Stand with your feet around shoulder width apart. Bend your knees to lower your butt until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Simultaneously jump straight up and swing your arms overhead. As you reach the floor, lower yourself back to another squat. Repeat 10 times before moving on to the next exercise. High knees. Standing with your feet around shoulder width apart, extend your arms straight out in front of you with your palms facing down. Lift your right knee up to reach your left palm. Lower your leg back down and do the same with the left side. Keep shuffling between the 2 sides as fast as you can until you've completed 20 reps per side. Back lunge with front kick. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Take a large step back with your right leg and lower yourself so that your left thigh is parallel to the ground. In one smooth motion, lift yourself back up and kick the right leg straight out in front of you. Shuffle between the backward lunge and forward kick 10 times in a row. Do the same with the left side for 10 times in a row before moving on to the next exercise. Push-ups. Lay face down on a mat. Hold yourself up with your toes and your palms on the mat beside your shoulders. Keep your body as straight as you can as you extend your arms to raise yourself off the mat. Lower yourself to your original position. Repeat 10 times. Long arm crunches. On a mat, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet planted on the floor. Extend your arms above your head. Perform a crunch by lifting your upper body off the mat. Slowly lower your body back down to your original position. Repeat 20 times. Repeat the entire sequence 3 times. This workout is the best exercise routine for women because it is based on HIIT principles, which have been proven by science to be the most efficient way to lose weight. Through HIIT, You no longer have to spend long hours engaging in the same boring or tedious exercise. It'll only take you half the time to achieve your ideal body, especially when you supplement your efforts with a balanced and nutritious diet. Here are study references used in the creation of this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.